Hello crafters, I'm Leah from leahgriffith.com. This is video 4 of 5 in the series where I preview the new Glowforge Aura. For this craft project, I will make a set of this wooden standing deer to decorate my bookshelves, and I love these. These were actually initially designed using thinner wood that we glued together, so making them in one piece is perfect. With the launch of the new Aura, Glowforge has added some new proof-grade materials that are 12 by 12, and this fits perfectly on the machine. In the 12 by 12 size, you can choose from plywood that's in maple, cherry, walnut, or even basswood. They also have some beautiful hardwoods that come in a 6 by 12. And they sent me some of this wood veneer, and it has a 3M backer, and this is easy to apply on other materials. You can see the difference between the plywood and the veneer. Laser cutting wood is one of my favorite crafts, maybe because I love the smell of raw wood and it takes me back to childhood when my dad was a cabinet maker. For this project, I picked a 12 by 12 walnut because I wanted the darker color. Of course, you can pick any color you like. Once I place the wood onto the tray, the tiny camera in the lid will scan the QR code and update the exact settings. I love this feature. All I need to do is select engrave, cut, or score, and of course, I'm going to select cut, then choose print. And once I press the button on the machine, I can sit back and watch the magic. The laser technically burns to cut, which will darken the edge, and for these deer, it actually gives it a very nice finishing touch that matches the size of the wood. For this project, the 2 deer fit perfectly on the 12 by 12 material. And once you've cut all this proof grade wood, the big reveal is to peel off all of this backer paper. The pieces will be slightly snug to stay in place, but slide them gently together because this is a lighter plywood and you don't want it to break. And here's something to remember, so please learn from my mistakes. When you're cutting a design with a thicker material and that has this cross join, the slits for the joints must match the thickness of the wood or they just won't fit properly. If you resize the artwork or you use a thinner material, it will throw off the whole fit. And here's an example. This one I made slightly larger and the legs just don't stay on because these slits are just too big for the thickness of this material. These are so pretty, I can see using them to add interest to my library shelves, or I'm going to use them on my mantle for winter holidays. I can also see them adding some life to a child's bedroom. Be sure to check out all the videos in this series for more projects using different materials. The next craft I will make on the Aura is this ginkgo wreath made from our wool blend felt.